After the installation of cutters and probes, the second step is calibration. Connect the machine by Bluetooth at first. Click Search again, and click Bluetooth number. Bluetooth is already connected. Click Device Information. Find Calibration. Which one should we choose? This is Clamp C. It has a little difference. Here we select Clamp C. And then click OK. The machine will identify and check the right clamp. Finally, click OK and calibration is finished. Want some more? Pay attention to the differences of clamps. Ding, ding, ding.